Welcome to the powerful world of modern forestry and agriculture. Today, we're diving into the machines that are changing the game, massive, high-horsepower beasts that crush, chip, and harvest with incredible precision. From tearing through tree stumps to harvesting sugar beets on a massive scale, let's explore how today's heavy-duty equipment makes the toughest jobs look easy. In Thailand, the Yenshem 593R wood chipper makes a big first impression. With 530 horsepower and a weight of over 70,000 pounds, it crushes huge logs effortlessly, built for performance. Splitting tough wood like hickory is no problem for this 420 HP machine. With a box wedge splitter, it slices through logs in seconds, saving time and effort. Meet the HF 500. A 300 horsepower beast weighing nearly 5,000 pounds. It destroys giant tree stumps like they're nothing. Watch as stumps vanish in seconds. Next up, a 250 HP excavator with a stump cutting blade, weighing almost 45,000 pounds. It uproots and shreds stumps with speed, making land clearing efficient and fast. The Komatsu 9001 XC, powered by a 251 HP engine, trims large trees quickly. Its robust design handles dense branches with ease, making forestry work smoother. Then there's the Timber Pro 830D Combo. With 300 HP and a weight of 74,000 pounds. It handles logs at top speed, boosting productivity in forest operations. Ever seen 22,000 pounds of steel sink in a swamp? One machine struggles against deep mud, slowly disappearing like a shipwreck, a dramatic reminder of nature's strength. On to destruction mode. The 5,511 pounds crusher with 450 HP flattens cars into scrap metal in seconds. The crushing power is jaw-dropping. A 500 HP claw machine weighing 6,613 pounds takes on a school bus. Within moments, the steel frame crumples, proving this machine's unstoppable force. For breaking rock and mining, the CAT 340 Next Gen brings 311 HP and unmatched durability. Its powerful hammer cracks huge rocks with ease. Need more muscle? The Liebherr R9350 excavator runs on 1,880 HP. Weighing in at 661,000 pounds. It devours rock and earth, leaving crowds speechless. The Hitachi EX2500 with 1,300 HP. Fills a CAT 777D truck in just a few scoops. Raw, unstoppable digging power. Even more heavy lifting from the Caterpillar 65B excavator. Moving massive amounts of rock and dirt with impressive precision and strength. Finally, the Ropa Tiger 6S teams up with the Bergman RW 500 truck. This harvesting powerhouse runs at 700 HP, handling wide fields with speed and accuracy.